Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on cybersecurity. So in this video, I am going to make the use of tool called Blackbird, which is going to extract the information related to the target from different social media platform. So let's go and see how this tool is going to helpful for us. So this tool is already installed in my PC, and it is a Python based tool. So see here, this is the actual Python tool. So we have to run this. So for that, I will make the use of command Python 3 followed by blackbird.py. So see here, my Blackbird tool has started. Now, these are the list of the website which this tool is going to search for the target. So let's go. Here I am going to put my name. First, I am using Pratik Nagpal 08 as the username. So see here, Pratik Nagpal 08 as a username is founded in so many different social media sites like chess, okay, then in Instagram, in tryhackme.com, then in bug bounty, okay. Now I am going to make the use of my full email, that is pratiknagpal08 at the gmail.com. Again, my Gmail is found in Facebook, tryhackme.com, WordPress site, Bug Bounty. Okay, so in this way, you can extract the information related to the target by using Blackbird. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more update on cybersecurity. Till then, bye bye.